This is the best. Gravity's the test. Let's fly past the sky and tell Earth our goodbye.
Alright, moving on to mini section 3. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn here. So this was end of 2. You want to say womb, a, and then hey, womb, a. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing the heel toe top rock, which is this move, yeah? And then there's also the heel toe twist, as I call it. I have a detailed tutorial on that if you want to learn it in more detail, but let me just quickly explain how to do it. So right after we end it here, right? Now you want to take a step with your right, like that, on your heel, and then you want to take a step with your left to your left side, and then your right is just going to say turn. Yeah, so you rotate on your heel like that, all right? At the same time as you're taking a step with your back leg, all right? So from here, we're going to go step right, step left, all right? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left. Now you want to repeat the same, saying, taking your right again here, and then you want to say take a step again with your left. All right? So pretty simple, right? You want to go here, right, left, left. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, and we go right, left. Now the arms are same, starting with my right elbow here. So both are up. You want to say from here to your left, and then back here, yay. All right, so it's womb, a, here. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Womb, and womb, a. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Womb, and womb, a. So when we want to combine it, we're going to say turn step. All right, so you already start turning your upper body from down here. Yeah, so you're up on your heel now. You want to say step on the back foot, and then you want to say heel again, whip, and then you want to say up. All right, let's just try that. So again from here, turn heel, step, heel, up. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn heel, step, so heel, up. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn heel, step, turn heel, up. So right after turn heel, step, turn heel, up, you want to say switch jump. So now my right is in the front. I want to say left in the front. All right, pretty simple. From here, you also want to go bit down and your arms come down. Yeah, so let me just show you. From here, we are doing whoop. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, go down. All right, now from here, you want to say heel toe twist, like I told you before. So from here, I want to jump with my right in the front. So basically, I'm doing this, right? But at the same time, I also want to turn. So I want to say like that. All right? So it's like doing this, but only at the same time you're doing turn. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go turn. Notice how my right is in the front on my heel. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go turn. So right after the turn, you want to say twist. All right, so you're just going from here. This is my left corner to my right corner. All right, and then from here, you basically just want to jump out like that. Yeah, notice how my knees are pointing slightly inwards, toes are pointing slightly inwards, and then you want to say boom, so the heels go together, and then you want to say small jump by the way up if you want, or you can just say jump. All right, so let's just rewind a bit. We just did womb, step, womb, up. Now you want to say jump. And then from here, we want to say heel toe twist, heel toe twist. And then you want to say jump out like that. Heels in, and then small jump up. All right, that's a lot, so let's just try again. Boom, hey, boom, hey. From here, you want to go down, and then heel toe twist, heel toe twist. And then you want to say boom, boom, up, up. Let's try that again. So let's just do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, heel toe twist, and then together, boom, jump up. This is probably the trickiest part, so let's just do it one last time. All right, so right at here, my right is in the front. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left in the front, heel toe twist. Here, now sit on the toes, heels, jump, way up. Feel free to practice some more if you need it, but if you got it, then let's just go a bit back to, so right after this, let's try and include this part. Twist here and up, and then boom, A, ta, ta, boom, A. All right, so we're gonna go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go turn, heel, step, turn, heel, up, switch, boom. Now heel toe twist, heel toe twist. Now toes, heel, jump, up. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go turn heel and turn heel, up. Now switch down and heel toe twist, boom. Now toes, heels, boom, and up. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go heel and heel, up. Now switch, heel toe twist, boom, toes, heels, jump, body up. Okay guys, let's just do mini section 4 as well before we start practicing from the beginning. Alright, so let me just show you mini section 4 here. So right after mini section 3, which is heel toe twist, boom, 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 boom. We wanna go boom, 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 boom. Now, let me break it down for you. So let's start with the hard part here. So you wanna say, your upper body is saying chest. Yeah, I'm kind of tilting my head back and I'm pushing up my chest here. Now I want to say lean back, so my chest is coming back down. And then I want to say hip, so almost as if I'm sitting, yeah? So I'm going chest, lean back, sit. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go chest, lean back, sit. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go chest, lean back, sit. And the left arm is just saying A. Yes, I'm brushing something away. A. So let's just try that. We're gonna go boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, boom, boom. All right. Now there are small details. So right before we do those things, we can take a step with our left leg and then right leg. Boom, boom. Yeah. So in the mini section 3, mini section 4 says whoop before I say whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, and then from here you can basically just repeat the dance because that was the end. Okay, so let's just try and practice that. So we're gonna go left, right, lean, sit. All right, 5. You know what? Let's just stand like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, lean, down. Alright guys, time to do the full dance. I'm just gonna do a quick run through to refresh your memory and then we're gonna practice. Okay guys, so a quick run through from the tip to top. We did twist, heel to your left, heels to your right, and then you wanna say cross with your left in front, and then out, and then right in front. Prep this left arm here, and then out, and then you wanna say back in, and the last one you wanna say gather. Right, from here you wanna say bring the right out, lean to your left, and you go roll, 1, 2, before you say prep, lift up, and then you want to say swing your leg to the front, and then you want to say step, turn, right arm is up here, now you want to say switch, go back, hip to the front again, now from here you want to say turn heel, step, turn heel, arms up. Now from here you want to say switch, we go jump down. From here we want to heel toe twist. We're gonna go turn and then twist outwards. And then we want to say on the toes, heels in, jump, body roll up. From here you want to say step left and then right, lean down, and then repeat the dance. Alright guys, time to practice. We're gonna start slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go twist left, twist right, cross, left in front, out, right in front, out, left in front, gather, roll, 1, 2, prep, swing, step, right, back, hip to the front. Now get ready to say turn heel, whoop, step, turn heel, and arms up. Now get ready to say jump switch, whoop, and heel toe twist, heel toe, twist outwards, and then we want to say toes, heels, jump, body up. Now from here we want to say step left, and then we want to say chest, lean, sit. Alright guys, let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go twist left, twist right, cross, left in front, out, right in front, out, left in front, gather, roll, 1, 2, prep, swing, step, right, left, right. Now say turn, heel, step, turn, heel, arms up. Now jump, switch, heel toe, twist outwards. Now say toes, heels, jump, body up. Now left, and then you want to say chest, lean back, sit, repeat. Alright guys, let's try one last time, a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go twist left, twist right, cross left, out, cross right, out, cross left, gather, roll, 1, 2, prep, swing, step right, left, right, turn heel, and turn heel, arms up, switch, heel to twist, out, toes, heel, jump, up. Now left, chest, sit, hip, repeat. Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. Okay, so that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Planetary Vibe emote from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.